Hello, this is Owen, and I'm the maintainer of WebauthnComponents, and I'm here with a quick demo of what it looks like to use Passkeys with this package. So here, I've already set up a brand new Phoenix application. I've installed WebauthnComponents as a dependency, and then finally, I've run a mixed task to go ahead and scaffold all the code that I need to actually be able to register and authenticate a user in this brand new application. So you'll notice that the default page has a new nav bar that's been injected by the installer. And I'm going to go ahead and hit sign in. And that takes me to this Authentication LiveView. So in this case, registration and authentication are on the same LiveView. You might choose to break these up into separate pages or live views. But from here, I can create a new account by providing a valid email address. You'll see that as I type, the email address is validated and any errors are displayed below. Now, if I have a valid email address, I can hit enter or press the sign up button. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and skip the 1Password dialog here just to show you what it looks like with iCloud. So here I've registered a passkey, and a couple things happened underneath the hood, but I've been redirected back to the home page. Now I have a session so that I can navigate the site. If it had any more features, I could navigate without having to authenticate every single page. By the way, the passkey that's been saved shows up in the the preferences for Safari under the passwords tab. Also shows up under the system preferences under the passwords section there. If I were to delete this, or if this was not synchronized with my iCloud account, then I would need to register another device just for backup. But in most cases, I think we can expect our users are syncing to either iCloud or Android, uses Chrome password management, or they're using something like 1Password. Windows support for syncing passkeys is still, I think, in development as of 2023. All right, so I've signed in, I've created a new account, and I'm going to go ahead and sign out so I can demonstrate authenticating an existing account. So again, I'm back on the sign in page, and I don't actually need to provide my email address now. I just want to sign in using a passkey, again, skipping 1Password. So you'll notice that iCloud or my device found a passkey existing for this site, localhost, with this email address. So I'm going to go ahead and register, or touch the Touch ID to authenticate, and now I'm back on the home page as a signed-in user. Just a couple more things I'll point out here. On the sign-in page, there's also this collapse, which just gives a little bit more information and guidance to end users who may not be used to using passkeys yet. So if they're curious about why there's no password field here, why they're being asked for a Touch ID or Face ID or any kind of biometrics, this will hopefully answer those questions. All right, well, if you are interested in implementing passkey support for your LiveView applications, check out WebauthnComponents on HexPM or on GitHub, and definitely let me know if you have any issues or if you have any feedback.